D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Dineo. Seeing that this is my last video for 2018, I thought, you know what, let me just share my natural hair journey with you and just give you advice on how I grew my natural hair. So if you're interested to know how to grow your natural hair, then keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do best and subscribe to help me out. Don't forget to like, comment and share as well. Ciao! Number 1, drink lots of water. I drink about 2 liters of water. Yes, I drink a lot of water. Yes, I pee a lot. But you know what? It's totally worth it. So what happens if you don't drink water? You become dehydrated. Your body becomes dehydrated, your skin becomes dehydrated, and your hair also becomes dehydrated. So when your hair is dehydrated, it becomes very dry and brittle. So if you drink a lot of water, you will help nourish your hair and also strengthen it. So ladies, do best and drink water. Junk food, don't we just all love it? It's good, it's really delicious, but is it really good for your hair? I think not. So I try to eat as much whole food as possible. So by whole food, I mean food that is not processed. So your fruits, your veggies, your meats, those are the type of food that I mostly eat. And you know what? It hasn't just helped my body, but it also has helped my hair too. So try to include as much whole food into your diet as possible. Yes, you can eat junk food, but just now and then. Don't make it a habit, okay? You wasted my time, you wasted my time, stop wasting my time, stop wasting my time. With natural hair, especially type 4 hair, our hair tends to grow relatively slowly. But that does not mean that you should feel down about it. Instead, try to embrace it and enjoy your hair in every single stage that it goes through, okay? Please practice the principle of waiting. Patience is a virtue. I think majority of my hair growth is largely due to the fact that I always wear my hair in protective hairstyles. How often do I wear hairstyles? I wear protective hairstyles about 90% of the time. Yes, I am always rocking protective hairstyles. You will see me rocking my fro like once in a while, but I don't like to wear my fro because I tend to touch my hair a lot. So to prevent that, I just prefer to wear protective hairstyles. A consistent wash day routine. Okay? You need a consistent wash day routine. How often should you wash your hair? I wash my hair once a week. Okay, so if you can wash your hair twice or once a week, then bravo to you. Is it time consuming? Yes. Do I sometimes get lazy to do it? You bet I do. But do I do it? Yes. Why? Because my hair will thank me. What is my wash day routine? So with my wash day routine, I normally start with shampooing my hair. So with the shampoo can be quite harsh on our hair because it tends to leave our hair dry. So I normally use the shampoo once a month. After shampooing my hair, I go in with the conditioner. So what the conditioner does is to help smoothen our hair and also provide some nourishing effect. So after the conditioner, then I'll go in with my deep conditioner. So with the deep conditioner, you have to apply it first onto your hair and then take a shower cap and apply the shower cap for about 20 minutes with a towel as well. So yeah, I wait about 20 minutes with the deep conditioner just to help it penetrate your scalp more. And then after rinsing off the deep conditioner, then I apply a leave-in conditioner. So with the leave-in conditioner, you don't rinse it off. You just immediately apply it after you wash your whole head. So after the whole wash day routine, then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I love leave-in conditioners because they just help soften my hair and they just detangle my hair as well while doing that. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2019. Ciao. You wasted my time. You wasted my time. Stop wasting my time. You wasted my time. Hey, December.